I cannot believe this. This channel right here only has made 26 videos. They already have almost 9 million views, and they have a whopping 463,000 subscribers. That is just mind-blowing. All they do is make these kind of videos. Just look at this one.
Once there was a girl named Lily, whose best friend Sarah moved one town away and therefore switched schools. Lily kept reaching out to Sarah.
Yeah, I know exactly how they've done that. So you want to know how to make this too, and gain millions of views and subscribers? Well, I've got you covered because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a successful, faceless YouTube Shorts channel, just like Excuse Erased. And yes, we are going to use AI, and it is very simple. But just in case, take notes and don't skip any steps. Also, put away your wallet and credit card because everything we'll be doing is free, so no worries. And guys, at the end of the video, I will reveal a very dark secret about this channel no one knows of. So, are you ready? Let's go and make this the best experience ever. Don't know what that meant, but it sounded cool. Okay, let's go now. So first, let's analyze this short right here exactly.
Once there was a girl named Lily, whose best friend Sarah moved one town away and therefore switched schools. Lily kept reaching out to Sarah, but Sarah's replies became less frequent. For her birthday, Lily was thrilled that—
Okay, that is enough. I will dissect it. These are the ingredients they used for success. They used a script generated by AI. They used voiceovers generated by AI. They used images generated by AI. They animated the images with AI. And overall, the short tells a story. People love stories. It sounds so simple. And in fact, it is. Most things in life are simple but hard to find out about, if you know what I mean. But let's not get too Socrates right here. Let's actually start and create the script. Blah, blah, blah. We all know by now that a script is important. We are going to use ChatGPT to write us a script. We aren't going to ask him straight up. Instead, we'll train him first. To do that, we need at least 3 transcripts of their most viral shorts. For example, click on this short. Now, change the URL from /short/ to /watch?v=. Just do what I do. No worries, I'll also include this in the description. And press enter. Look at that, now we can view the short in the normal YouTube player. This way we can click on the description and select Show Transcript. Copy the transcript and fire up Google Docs. Type script 1 and paste the first transcript there. Repeat the same process for 2 more shorts. Next, go to ChatGPT and write the following. Hey, I want to train you to become my amazing scriptwriter. The training consists of me sending you 3 scripts. You need to study them. Just say OK once you've finished studying them. Here's the first script. Then paste the first script and hit enter. And now also give it the second and third script separately. Don't worry, all the prompts will be in the description. Finally ask, now that you're my amazing scriptwriter, please write a completely new script with a new story that captures the essence of the 3 scripts you studied. Okay, that is perfect. We can now use this script and edit it some more in Google Docs if needed. Now next it is time to bring the script to life using an AI text-to-speech generator. And yes, we are going to use 11 Labs. It is free and easy to use. First of all, I'd advise to select a good narrator from the voice library. Choose narrative and story to get a more specified look. Now, just preview the voices and select the one you like. I already have some good narrators in my arsenal, so I do not need to look for a new one. So go to Speech and now select your narrator. And then paste the script in the text box and now hit Generate. Also be sure to remove some symbols like the asterisk.
Jenna sat at her kitchen table staring blankly at the pile of bills in front of her.
That sounds immaculate. Now download it to your computer. I bet you are still wondering what that dark secret is I told you about in the beginning. Just stick till the end and you will know, I promise. Now next we need to generate the images for our story. It is a great idea to go back to ChatGPT and ask for some scene descriptions for the script. So just ask, I need to visualize this script with images. Please tell me scene descriptions for each part of the script. Now, next we need an AI image generator. I am going to use Midjourney. Unfortunately, Midjourney isn't free. But no worries, I will also show you how you can generate these images for free. Just stick with me. You can just copy and paste the image prompts from the description. Now what I will do is, I download this example short. Now I put it in CapCut, take some still frames and export them. Now I go to Midjourney, type /describe. Add one of the frames and then press enter. Now Midjourney will generate prompts that describe that image. Now let's generate all the 4 prompts. Look at that. This gives us the perfect impression of how a prompt should look like if we want to create these type of images. Now I created this prompt on Google Docs. The purple part is the character description. This way, we get character-consistent images. Next in green is the style our image should be in. The blue part is the scene description ChatGPT gave us earlier. And the red is the aspect ratio, but please use 16:9 instead of 9:16. Because yeah, that was my mistake, as you will see later in the video. Now copy the prompt and let Midjourney generate the image. This looks perfect. Let's upscale the first image. And then download it, of course. Now do this for all the scenes so you've got enough images to cover the voiceover. So I will show you. Just type in Google Docs, Scene 2. Now copy and paste the prompt from Scene 1 there and just change the necessary values. So in this case, I will replace the scene description with the scene description from Scene 2 that ChatGPT gave us. Now copy it in its entirety, and then paste it into Midjourney and let it generate the second scene. And this also might be helpful. Make a character description for each character in your story. So in this case, I made one for Jenna and Mia. As a bonus, I also created these location prompts. This way we have more footage. In filmmaking, they always say, it's better to have too much footage than too little. Here are all the images generated with Midjourney. Okay, and now I will show you how you can use this using a free-to-use AI image generator. It is called Leonardo AI. Let's go to the website and click on Get Started. Now sign up or log in. I am going to connect my Google account. Now fill in some stuff, LOL. Now click on Image Creation. Now type the prompt there. And as I said, you can just copy and paste the prompt I put in the video description. Then you only need to change the character description and scene description as per your script. Now on the left, please select the widescreen option, 16:9, and press Generate. And there they are. Don't they look stunning? Let's generate another image just to show you that it actually works. Again, they look very impressive. And looking at this, I really think that the channel we are trying to emulate, Excuse Erased, actually uses Leonardo AI. Now, after you've generated all the images, I would like to take a moment to do a shout out to the Saga75. She commented this. She is the reason you are seeing this video in a way. So if you also need some help or want to know how to make certain content, or you have something else, just write those things in the comments. Before we can edit everything together, we need one last ingredient. We need to animate the images we generated. We are going to use Runway. Go to the website, click Try Runway. Now log in or sign up with your Google account to get some free credits. And now click on Get Started. Next, you drag and drop your image in that box. And look what happened to me. Since I mistakenly generated the images in vertical, I ended up with this error. So yeah, really be sure to generate the images in widescreen format. I was too lazy to generate everything again, so I simply put the images in CapCut and exported still frames with black widescreen borders. Okay, after you've uploaded your image, you have the option to add a description and write things you want to see, but you can also leave it completely blank like me. Here's a tip. Change the timer from 10 seconds to 5 seconds. This way the output will be shorter, but we'll be able to generate more different images since we'll save more credits. And then press Generate. The generation will take 1 to 2 minutes, and when they say that the servers are too busy, simply hit Generate again. Here is our result. Oh my god, look at that. We've unlocked a new type of AI video, since I put the black borders there to make it widescreen. That's actually hilarious. Now download the video and do the same process for all the other images for our video. And remember, if you want to make them talk or do specific things, you can simply type it in the prompt box. Yes, now it's time to start cooking. We are going to use CapCut to mix all our footage together and bake a viral video. Open a new project. Now first, drop the voiceover in there. This will be the foundation of our video. Around that we will build the rest. Now also drop all the images in there and be sure to arrange them in chronological order. Resize them and make it look nice. And yes, put the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now just play around with the transitions and effects like I'm doing. It's very simple, just drag and drop them. And yeah, more than 50% of the YouTube Shorts audience watches on mute. Like what? Yes, so that's why it is important we are adding some catchy captions to our video. No problem, just go to Captions and Auto Captions and hit that Generate button. Now you can choose animations or templates, but since we try to emulate the other channel, we only need to add a stroke. Very simple. Next, we can add some background music for those watching with sound on. Just go to the YouTube audio library and pick a fitting song. Some calm piano music works amazing, like this one. Drag and drop it in the timeline and adjust the volume so it isn't overpowering. Finally, you can, if you want, add your own watermark to this. So if you've got a name in mind of your channel, just add text and be sure to tone the opacity a bit down. And that's it. Now export it and upload it to YouTube. Before I'm going to tell you all about the dark secret, let's watch a preview of the end result.
Jenna sat at her kitchen table, staring blankly at the pile of bills in front of her. Her phone buzzed. It was her friend, Emily. "Hey Jenna, I need your help with something." Jenna stood up and decided to go for a walk, something she hadn't done in ages. The fresh air felt good against her skin, and with each step, her mind began to clear. As she walked, Jenna found herself thinking about her best friend, Mia.
So okay, are you guys ready? Get some popcorn and some tea. Now I'm going to reveal to you the dark secret about the channel. Excuse erased. It all started when I wanted to look up the financial details of the channel. Because how much money does this channel actually make? Well, when we look at their social blade, we can see that they make Wait, what? They make $0 according to Social Blade. $0? You might be asking? Yes, and I know why. I know exactly what is going on here. Let's scroll a bit down. Exactly there. We can see that on the 17th of August they suddenly lose an insane 97 million views. What does this mean? Well, it most likely means that at that day they deleted a lot of videos or privatized them. In other words, it seems that the channel Excuse Erased was previously a very successful channel with other content. Maybe the owners bought a YouTube channel and then renamed it. This is just cool to know. But it doesn't discredit the fact that the channel right now is doing very great and is getting millions of views. Props to them. But wait, the rabbit hole goes even deeper. When we click on the channel info, we can see that it is promoting another channel. It says, My New Channel, and it links to a channel that was completely similar to the main channel. The same name, the same style of videos, and they have over 100,000 subscribers, only 28 videos, and an astonishing 15 million views. When we look at the Social Blade stats of this channel, we can see that they make around $5,000 a month. And this one looks also more genuine. I mean, they started this channel fresh and new, and it looks like it wasn't a big old channel before. But what can we learn from all this? If a concept works on YouTube Shorts, it can be exploited in many ways. So for you, you can use these techniques and apply it to creating your own version of Excuses Erased. And on top of that, you can also think it like this. If you have a proven to work content style, you can create another channel that is similar to that one, and that way you have two successful channels. But then again, why not focus on one channel at a time? Well, why not have two and make double the money? Well, yeah, that's a good argument. Tell me in the comments what you guys think, and that's it. Now, it's up to you. Use these tricks and techniques and create amazing content. Matter of fact, create amazing viral shorts and make millions. You can do it. Be and stay positive in that you can achieve anything you desire. Stay focused, have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.